Happy Monday, everybody. It's the one and only James Rule XRP live in person, and I have something to announce today. I have hit 40,000 subs on my YouTube channel, and I want to thank each and every one of you. You know, 40,000, a lot of people are like, well, I know YouTubers that have 1 million subs or hundreds of thousands of subs. Well, for me, little old guy in Southeast Texas that had a dream 9 years ago, I created my channel 6 years ago, not knowing what I was doing. I was stuttering. Every other word was like, yeah. And I had a cheap 13-inch MacBook. But you know what? It has been an incredible journey, and I want to thank each and every one of you. Let's take a look at a couple of things. My channel, I have hit 40,000 subscribers. It took me 6 years to get there, but I did it, and I've revamped, and I got a new mic, and I got a new MacBook, and I got new software, and I have thousands of new friends. I have learned so much teaching myself by creating these videos for the public, and that's what I did it for. I was working at a refinery at the time, and whenever I created my channel, I was watching Digital Asset Investor, I was watching Kevin Cage, I was watching others, and in January of 2020, I created my Twitter account, and I called it James Rule XRP, @RuleXRP. And right here on the screen, I had 429 followers. And when I made these first videos, and I'm going to play you a short, cheesy clip of this first one I created, I would get comments that said, you don't know what you're talking about. Your sound sounds like crap. Get out of here. You'll never be a DAI or a Kevin Cage or whatever. And I was like, you know what? Say what you want to say. So listen to a little bit of this first video I created, and I apologize for the sound, but you know what? We all have to start somewhere. Hello, everybody. This is James Rule XRP coming from good old Southeast Texas. This is my inaugural video, so I'm just going to be short and sweet. I'm trying out this QuickTime player on my Mac to see how well it does. I'm trying out the sound, the video, and all that good stuff. So, inaugural video. And if we go through, and I apologize, listen to the sound of some of these video clips. Here's one from Kevin Cage's channel.
So, Ripple is a crypto. And,
oh, my ears. Oh, my goodness, my ears. And then Digital Asset Investor. Here we go. Listen to this little clip.
Our friends at Facebook announced Libra.
You can't even hear it. But you know what? I started and I got comments, and people were making fun of me because they're like, man, I don't know who this James Rule XRP guy is. And when I started my channel, April of 2020, if we come right here and go to, let me just show you something. April of 2020, XRP was between 18 and 20 cents. And when I started my channel, the guys I was working with at the local refinery here in Southeast Texas, they were like, I don't want the Kmart Blue Light Special. I don't want a 5 for $1 XRP. 20 cent XRP. I have stocks. I have 401ks. I have a retirement plan. Well, you know what? Here in the last year and a half or so, these guys that I worked with back 6 years ago have been calling me up, and they're like, James, you remember that 20 cent XP whatever token that was? Tell me more about it, because I heard about it in the news today. And that is pretty much back in 2020. I thought about it, and I said, well, you know what? If I tell you so, I tell you so. And that's my tagline today. I say, I told you so. So what I'm going to do, since I hit 40,000 subscribers, my affiliates and vendors have sent me a bunch of swag and wallets and stuff to give away. I'm also going to give away some XRP out of my personal wallet. You have to be a U.S. resident. I apologize to all my overseas friends, everybody over the pond, because shipping is just outrageous when it comes to shipping out of the United States. But if you live in the United States and you have a Twitter account and you follow me at All the Money, I'm going to be setting up some giveaways. I'm going to be tagging the sponsors here in the next week or so. So look for that and stay tuned for that. But if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, go ahead and do so. Like I said, I'm all giddy. I've hit 40,000 subs, and I'm just so excited to be a part of this community, because I have grown as an individual. I'm 60 years old now. I have 40,000 subscribers. I've taught myself so much in the past 6 years. And, the trick to being young is keeping your mind busy. And every day I keep my mind busy. I'm looking for the latest, greatest news. I'm getting it out to you. And I'm just thankful to be here. So have a wonderful day. Have a wonderful week. Be sure to have a Twitter account. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. I'll be giving away a lot of things very soon. So have a good one. My name is James Royal, XRP, and I'm out of here. And don't forget, people, I told you so.